In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of bullet points in Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that many people use for creating stunning visuals, but sometimes a simple task like altering bullet point colors can be a bit confusing. Today we're going to break down this process into clear, manageable steps so you can customize your designs with ease. First, you need to open your Canva project and locate the text box that contains your bullet points. Click directly on the text to select it. This is a crucial step because you'll be working specifically with the text that includes your bullet points. Make sure the text box is highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. Once your text is selected, look up at the menu bar on the Canva interface and find the text color icon. It typically looks like a capital letter A with a rainbow colored underline. Clicking this icon will open up a color palette. You might notice that the colors available are based on your document colors or Canva's default color selection, but don't worry, you can always customize these options. Next, you'll want to choose the specific color you want your bullet points to be. Simply browse through the palette and click on your desired color. As soon as you select a color, you'll see the bullet points change to reflect your choice. It's as simple as that, a new color for a fresh look in your document. Now, what if you want to change the color of just the bullet points without altering the text color? That's also possible. To do this, you need to highlight only the bullet points themselves. Click and drag your cursor over just the bullet points you want to change. Once highlighted, go back to the text color icon and select your new color as before. This targeted approach allows you to keep your text color intact while modifying only the bullet points. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing the color of bullet points in Canva. This subtle change can make a big impact on the aesthetic of your design, lending it a more polished and cohesive appearance. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media graphic, or any other type of design, customizing bullet point colors can enhance clarity and emphasis, helping to guide the viewer's eye effectively. Remember, Canva is all about creativity and customizing your designs to fit your needs, so don't hesitate to experiment with different colors and combinations to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you master this useful feature in Canva.